All right, we got the Kobalt Buy More, Save More promotion. If you haven't heard about it yet, spend $100, save 20. Spend 200, save 50. Spend 300, save 100. Now, Kobalt, if you see right here, this miter saw, Kobalt makes, in my opinion, the best miter saw for the price with the features it has. Dual bevel, it's a sliding miter saw, battery powered, has a LED cut line, it has everything. $269. With the Buy More Save More, you'll get it for $200. So right here we got a charger, we got the saw, and two 4-amp hour batteries, all for $313. You cannot beat that. If you already have the Kobalt batteries, you're already in their platform, you can get this saw for $204. Just make sure you put $300 in your cart, you'll get $100 off, and then return whatever else was in your cart and just keep the Kobalt saw. If you need a miter saw, this is the one right here. Now let's take a look at everything that's included in this deal. We'll start with the batteries. The only battery that's not included is the 6-amp hour. Right here you got the big charger, the regular charger, all this is a part of the promotion. Power source, two 4-amp hours, and the single charger, which is basically the same price as what I just showed you. A 4 and a 2 with a charger, $129, a part of the promotion. 2-amp hour for $30 is a part of it. The 6-amp hour, or the 6 is, maybe it's the 4 that's not, I'm sorry. The 4-amp hour is not a part of it. 2 4s, what I just showed you there. Okay, now let's look at the bare tools. They got a lot of bare tools. Some of them are already on sale and a part of the promotion. Like their right angle impact. It's on sale still for $99, originally $139, plus it's a part of the promotion. Got their area light. How many lumens is this? A 1,000 lumens. Has a USB port. A router on sale, $20 off already, plus a part of the promotion. A lot of people were saying they couldn't get the DeWalt or Milwaukee routers. They could not find them in the stores. Here's one for $100, plus you'll get another $100 off when you spend $300. Good chance to get a router for a good price. The jigsaw, the one-handed recip, their big regular recip, their smaller recip's not a part of it. Right angle impact, here it is. $2,000 RPMs, 180 foot-pounds of torque. I've watched a review video of this, and I believe it did like 220, about 220 foot-pounds it removed. So it actually does better than what it's rated at. This is a good, it's long. It's about 18 inches long, but it's a good right angle impact for the price. Impact wrench. I think this is a small one, 3/8. 150 foot-pounds of torque. The rotary tool, which is to cut sheetrock and stuff like that. 4-inch circular saw. The rotary hammer, $169 is a part of the promotion. 1,475 foot-pounds of impact energy. Wow. Take advantage of this, guys. Like I said, make sure you spend the 300 and you can return whatever you don't want. You got their cordless ratchet, right angle drill, belt sander, screw gun, palm sander. I mean, they got Kobalt's a good line too. I don't own any Kobalt tools, but I'm looking into them. We've already seen that area light in the route. Okay, that's everything. I've just spent a lot of money on tools this year with all these promotions. I'm trying not to spend so much, but I'm being tempted with these Kobalt tools. So like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm gonna bring some more deals like this, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.